Hello everyone, Gamer Guy Plays here, and today we're going to be teaching you on a lesson for beginners how to skate. Skating is harder than you think, and if you think skating is easy, do not click on this video. So everyone keeps asking me, a kid asked me on how to skate, how to move the skateboard. You can't move the skateboard by doing this, you can't just let it move. I tell everyone, it's just like walking. And when it means it's this, you gotta push to walk, right? And like this, you gotta push the skateboard in order to make it move, right? And let's teach you on the basics of. I will be teaching you the basics of a skateboard. So, like everyone says, you cannot skate like this on the other side. You have to skate on the left side, because if you skate on the right side of your skateboard, you'll feel a little bit goofy and you'll fail to skate the right skateboard. So the foot you're gonna put in the right on, you're gonna put the front foot, which is known as the right foot, on the front of the skateboard, and then you're gonna use your back foot, known as your left foot, in order to push the skateboard. You gotta turn your front foot this way. You gotta turn your front foot. I'm turning the skateboard. You gotta turn your front foot like this, and then once you push, you gotta move your front foot like this, and then you gotta put your back foot on the skateboard, and then make it like this, same as these, right? And yeah, and in order to do that, I'm gonna teach you the number one steps in order to ride a skateboard. Now we move the skateboard. Okay. Yep. Okay. Right foot front, back foot push, right foot turn, and then back foot on the skateboard. Those are the steps. Now let's teach you how to turn. If you don't make it the first try, practice makes perfect. Now let's get on to the turning. Now there's only two ways to ride a skateboard: carving and kick turn. I'll teach you what kick turn is. Now kick turn is when you use the back part of your skateboard to turn. It's when you use your back foot to make the back of your skateboard turn. Now you can use this for many things. It's a little bit trickier than carving. Carving is much more easier than kick turning. So when you move forward, you gotta do this in order to turn, right? So I'm gonna try to do it. It's kind of tricky. I don't know how to do it yet. Yeah, it's more trickier than carving, and that's how you kick turn. You can use this for when you go up a ramp or down a ramp. Yeah, let's get to carving. Now carving is like a hoverboard. You gotta lean it forward to turn it left, but this time you gotta lean. In order to go left, you gotta lean your foot left, and in order to go to the right, you gotta lean your foot backwards, right? And then I'm gonna show you what the wheels should do. You have to loosen the wheels in order to get the skateboard to bend a little bit. You have to loosen the wheels. Look, I loosen the wheels, and now it gets to bending a little bit. Let me show you a demonstration. So a demonstration of carving is like this. You gotta make it push forward, and then just lean your thing to turn it a little bit. But if you need to move turn as fast as that, you gotta loosen it a little bit more. And this is how you carve. That's how you carve. And yeah, if you like this demonstration on how to skateboard, I'll make an episode 2 on how to jump on a skateboard. It's pretty easy. I can do it. I'm gonna show you how to this is how you jump. I'm gonna be teaching this in lesson 2. How to jump. Let me show you again. Like that. Hope you enjoyed the video.